2, 3.
Yeah. Tritip dip. With the tri-tip. Oh yeah. Ooh. True say. Look at it, y'all. He ain't playing. He gave himself the nickname, but he earned it. Ooh. You know they say, ooh, yeah. Good. We talking about food when we say good in this sense. Oh, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Yeah. Oh.
Nate, you supposed to be the test tester.
That's what I'm saying.
You see what he
Everybody
did?
tasting but me.
He flipped it because the grain turns for you folks that's not paying attention but pretending to.
You're on the wrong side.
Yeah, don't get that. You're the official taste tester.
Go ahead, Nate. Get that piece right there. He gave that side eye of approval, boy.
Nephew. Hey. Yes, sir.
I'm good, boy. I'm glad you did it like this, Sister Michigan.
Yeah.
I'm going to end this video about an hour long.
Yeah, go ahead.